Hey guys, Jacob here with ZZ Diesel. Got a awesome product spotlight arrangement here for you guys today with a wide variety for all of you guys with Powerstroke diesel trucks. These are our air intake systems that we make here that are for you guys that just want to replace your air intake system, have a really affordable cost and everything, still have a cleanable filter, aluminum tubing, get rid of your plastic junk out of your engine bay, and make your engine bay look cleaner overall. These are an open air intake system. They are not enclosed in a box, obviously. So they're mainly for you guys for performance modifications, if you're wanting to make more power with your truck, anything like that. Here on my your left, my right, we've got the ZZ-11-107. This is going to be for you guys with a 99.5 to 03 7.3 liter Powerstroke platform. It's going to come with everything you need to install it, including your bracketry, your hose and clamps, all of that. As well as all these other kits. Moving over here to the next one over is the ZZ-11-91-Black. This is for the 03 to 07 6.0 liter Powerstroke guys. As you can see, it's going to come with all your hardware and everything you need to install it as well on your 6.0 liter Powerstrokes. Next one over here is our ZZ-11-106-B. This is for the 6.4 liter Powerstroke guys from 2008 to 2010. Obviously, you guys require a little less stuff. There's not nearly as much material here. So great bang for buck for you guys and super easy to install. Last but not least, the ZZ-11-173. This is for the 11 to 16 6.7 liter Powerstroke guys. Super easy to install kit, obviously, kind of like the 6.4 liter platform. These are all oiled filters, like I said. They all are powder coated black, so you don't have to worry about anything crazy there. You can find all of these on our website at zzdiesel.com. If you have any questions about it, never hesitate to give us a call. Our number is 800-749-0688.